sound at your homes. As you know that we have started with our 9th class syllabus, so this is the first chapter in front of you, and the name of the chapter is Number System. The exercise 1.1 questions are related to rational numbers. So I thought that you must recapitulate that what are rational numbers. So let's just begin. What are rational numbers? A number which can be represented in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. Okay. Means a rational number can be any number which can be represented in the form of P by Q. P by Q, or you can say numerator or the denominator. But there is an exception. And what is that? In that case, P and Q must be integers and Q must not be equal to 0. Okay. It means that P can be 0 but Q cannot be 0. Let's take an example. Like if I talk about 1 by 2, so this 1 by 2 is having its P and Q. Like here's P and here's Q. Okay. So 1 by 2 we can say that it is a rational number. Like if I talk about Q, I say that Q is not equals to 0. If I talk about like 1 by 0, then I cannot say that it is a rational number as Q is equals to 0. But I want that Q must not be equal to 0. So I can write it, comma, 0 by 1. So 0 by 1 is a rational number. P can be 0 but Q cannot be 0. So let's move on to the exercise questions. So the first question says, is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. I told you when I was talking about rational number example that 0 can be written in the form of P by Q as 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, etc. And if it can be written in the form of P by Q, then we can say that it is a rational number. So yes, 0 is a rational number. Okay? Okay. So the next question is, so second question is, write 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. And rational number is when we can write it in the form of P by Q. So we can write 3 and 4 as 3 by 1 and 4 by 1. Okay. And as we have to take out 6 rational numbers, so we can multiply it with any number which is greater than 6. See guys, there are infinite methods to take out rational numbers. First is this method which I am making you do, and it's the simplest method. And there is a formula named R plus S by 2 which will also help you to take out the rational numbers. With the method which I am making you do is the simplest and the easiest method. So 3 by 1 we must multiply it with any number which is greater than 6. Like 1000, 1000, even 6, even 7, 8, 9, not 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I am multiplying it with 10. So into 10 on both the sides. So it will be 3 into 10 is 30 and 1 by 10 is 10. Same with 4 by 1 also. Like if you multiply it with 10, so 4 into 10 and 1 into 10. So it will give us 40 by 10. So now you can think that we can reduce it. But if we will reduce it, then we will not get a rational, but we will not get a number. But there are infinite rational numbers. So we can write the 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4 are like 30 by 10 is given to you. 30 by 10. Now we will extend it like 31 upon 10, 32 upon 10, 33 upon 10, 34 upon 10. It means that you have to write 6 rational numbers. So 34 by 10, 35 by 10 and 36 by 10. Okay. which is your answer. Okay. Now moving on to the third question. So question number 3 is write 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So as we have to take out the rational numbers, so we want P by Q form, and it is already arranged in P by Q, like P, this is Q, this is also P, and this is Q. Okay. So now answer, we will put the heading of answer 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So as we have to find 5 rational numbers, so we can multiply it with any number which is greater than 5. Okay, so it can be, I am multiplying with 10, so 3 into 10 and 5 into 10. 3 into 10 is 30 and 5 into 10 is 50. Don't reduce it, otherwise you will not be finding any rational number. 4 by 5, this you will also multiply it with 10, so it will be 40 by 50. Okay, it is 50. So we have to take out 5 rational numbers. So we will be writing the 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 are, like 30 by 50 is given to you. So we will be writing 30 by 50, 31 by 50, 32 by 50, 33 by 50, 24 by 50, okay, and 35 by 50. Okay, so that's your answer. Okay, now meeting you in my next video, and we will be doing exercise 1.3.